Hey guys, so this is my live feed camera install. Right now, this is the first fitment trial and run, and also trial and error run. I've noticed a few things. Gonna make adjustments to it, but right now, this is where it's at. Okay, so the camera is not completely into the little holder there. I ended up this camera I bought online on Amazon. It ended up being I think a $17 camera, and yeah, it is a $17 camera. It's a bit glitchy with the connection going to the radio head unit um, and all. So this is what we're at. Here we go. So far, there we go. So you saw that glitch right there. Right now it does pretty well. I have rolling footage of what it looks like, and we're gonna just take it from there. I ended up buying a new camera, better looking, better quality, and yeah, we're gonna make some adjustments and go from there. And right now, as you can see, this is the install. Very clean install. Wires are hidden, and there it is. So there'll be another update later on as we make adjustments and go from there again. All right.